Right, so today we're taking a look at the brand new OnePlus 8 Pro Sandstone bumper cases. Not one, but both colours. We've got the original black and the brand new cyan colour. So let's take a look. Right guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at not one but two of the brand new OnePlus 8 Pro Sandstone bumper cases. The black one you all might be familiar with. However, they've brought out a brand new cyan colour, which just looks so nice, and I can't wait to get that on my phone to test it out. But before we open these up, if it's your first time here, I'm Mr. H, and I would greatly appreciate if you would show some support to the channel. Press that subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to ring the bell so you'd get notified when new content is released. Now we've got that out of the way, let's open up the boxes. So the last OnePlus case that I opened on the channel, if any of you remember, is the nylon case. However, unfortunately, OnePlus haven't released the nylon case for the OnePlus 8 Pro. I don't know if they plan to in the future, it would be nice. But at the moment, there isn't one. I thought they were going to bring out more versions, like different colours of the nylon case, like a red one, normal black one, cyan one. That would be nice because they had a nice feel to them. Anyway, let's take a look at the black one first. So, I mean, standard OnePlus packaging. Although the last packaging they did was black and red, now they've gone for white and red. New OnePlus logo. Nothing else. I mean, it's a nice box, should I say? But other than that, standard stuff. You've got your case inside, and that's it. What else do you need? Put that aside. So for the case, you've got this lovely sandstone material, signature OnePlus. Because they were the first ones, I believe, that started mainstreaming this type of cases. Lovely feel on the back. You can feel that you get that extra grip. You've got raised edges for that protection, drop protection. You've got clearance for your alert slider. You've got your buttons on the sides. The only thing I'm a bit disappointed at and surprised is the interior. As you can see, it's like a plastic material on the inside. Unlike the nylon case that I showed on my other video for the OnePlus 7T Pro, that had like an Alcantara soft feel for the back of your phone. I'm not sure if this plastic is going to affect the back of the phone because it is glass at the end of the day and things can get trapped in there, and with this hard back pushing against the glass with the other like sand or whatever goes in there, that could prove to bring a lot of scratches. But we've got the black one. Let's take a look at this brand new cyan one. Same box, same box, different colour. So we've got the same interior, plastic interior, unlike the nylon case. Same sandstone feel, extra grip. Interesting about the edges, it's not completely flat. As you can see, you've got like ridges on there, which I'd assume is a little bit for look, but also as you're holding it to give you that extra added grip to the phone. Let's put this onto my OnePlus 8 Pro. So at the moment I've been rocking the Never Settle clear case that you get with the OnePlus 8 Pro, and it's been perfectly fine for now. But I've been keeping my eye on this one, and now that I've got it, I can't wait to put it on. So let's pop this one off, and then we'll give the phone a bit of a clean. If you guys pop down into the comments box below, which one do you prefer? The clear one you get with the phone, the black sandstone, cyan one, or the nylon cases from OnePlus? Be interesting to see what you guys prefer. Also, if you know any other good cases for the OnePlus 8 Pro, drop the link in the description or show them from your phone. Would be interesting to see. Well, let's try the black one first. So it pops in, perfect, just like it's made for it. And then as you can see, perfect cutout for the camera. And you've got, the buttons are very responsive. You've got your cutout for your alert slider, which works perfectly. Speakers and charging port, perfect cutouts. Another microphone up there and a microphone down there. All in all, it feels like a really good case. You've got the raised corners to protect you against drops. Unlike the old OnePlus cases, if I show you, the old protective ones they had, they would have the top and bottom would be opened up. So if I show you here, you can see how the sides are opened for the buttons. That's how the top and bottom would be. So if you did drop your phone, the top and the bottom would be completely exposed, whereas your only protection you have is on the corners and a little bit on the side. But on this one, you've got full coverage all the way around to protect you against drops. At the moment, they're actually not that expensive compared to other phone cases. So if I show you at the moment, I believe they're retailing for about, I think it's £24-25. More cases. So OnePlus 8, bumper case, here we go. So it was even cheaper. They're actually retailing for £22.95. Either the black or the cyan, then plus postage. But at the moment, OnePlus have an offer where basically the more accessories you buy, the more discount you get. So 5% off 2 items, 10% off for 3 items, and 15% off for 4 items. Obviously, not everyone's going to buy 4 items, but it's nice to get a little bit of a discount for purchasing more stuff. So a very inexpensive case, considering what other cases are like. If you go for the bumper ones like carbon, they jump up to around £36. So the long-awaited cyan colour, let's have a look at that, because that's the one I think I'm going to be rocking on my phone. So let's see. I mean, the case fits exactly the same as I mentioned the black one does. Button responsiveness is exactly the same. All the difference is just the look. And I actually like how the look is the light blue cyan with the black phone. Looks really nice. And you've got minimal OnePlus branding. So, very nice. That's basically it. I mean, this was just a quick unboxing and initial opinion video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'd say tune in to my next video, because I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus Warp Charge 30 wireless charger, which is, I'm very excited to actually unbox this one. I haven't really been a wireless charging type of person, but that's mainly because they don't charge as fast as a cable. However, this one does do 30 watts. So I'll be posting this video in the near future. So keep an eye out for that one. If you press the bell icon, you should get notified when that comes out. But other than that, these cases are really good. I really can't fault them. The only downside is the plastic interior, but maybe they're saying they're changing the next ones. Other than that, feels good, feels light, and feels protective on the edges. And that's it. So guys, like one more time, if you enjoyed the content, remember to push that subscribe button below and press that bell button to keep notified of new content, and leave a comment down below which was your favorite case, or if you've got OnePlus 8 Pro, what case are you actually using on it. See you later guys, I'll see you on the next one.